Hi, I'm Aaron from LifeStraw. I'm going to walk you through changing the filters on your LifeStraw Escape. The Escape utilizes the three-stage filter assembly. The first stage is this pre-filter, which is designed to block sediment, particulate matter, and debris in the water. The second stage is this ultrafilter. This is going to block microbiological contaminants in the water, including bacteria, parasites, and viruses. The third stage is an activated carbon with ion exchange filter. This is going to reduce heavy metals and chemical contaminants in your water. For more information about the capabilities of our filters, please visit lifestraw.com, where you'll find evidence dossiers, lab reports, and product performance data sheets. Now, let's get started on how to change the filters on your new LifeStraw. The ultrafilter on the LifeStraw Escape, with proper care and storage, can last up to 18,000 liters. That's enough for a household of 4 up to 5 years in a survival situation. However, if the flow rate cannot be restored with normal backwashing and maintenance, it's time to replace that filter. The steps to do so are super easy. The activated carbon with ion exchange filter can last up to 600 liters or about 2 months of regular use. Again, replacing this is super easy. Just takes a couple of